the radiator washed out and the engine washed out. So I'm going to say about bleeding this. There's a bleeding nipple somewhere. So I've been told. I'll have a look. So I'm doing I'm trying to take the thermostat out. So I'll have to, before I put that back in, I'll take that out and change some water. I've took that plug out and I'll put it back in so the electrics is alright. And take the water out first. So I've turned the tab. Can I see it there? Going up here. Just a little screw. I'm just touching it at the bottom, just in that old cardboard box. Hopefully I'll catch most of the rubbish. So that's the oil for the cap off. That's put on there to stop anything falling down. But if it can't, it will with me. That board's out. So now that waving room is a little bit looser. I'll move that from there because I lift out and I'll lose it. So I've just disconnected. Get you down here. Too close. Right, so just press the button, press that down in the middle and disconnect that one. There's a little safety clip in that one. I've popped it out and it's disappeared for now. I'll find it later. And that just comes off there, and that one just pushes at the back, and it's come off there. So the next job, take this pipe out of the way, this top one, just take a clip, screwdriver, great granddad screwdriver I think, and just work it away. Yep, there we go. Get it up there, out the way. And this one, I've got my bucket underneath. I'm going to bring it this way a bit. Just there wasn't much. But I know I've only run for a minute and it's right, so next job, take the clip off there, take that clip off, just push them together with the pair pliers and take that clip off that side, pull them pipes off, and get that clip off the back, that one off the back, you know, the nuts, there's a nut up here, and a nut down there, and a nut on the bottom of it. So I'll get that done now. So I've just took this clip off. Oh, where's that? There you go. Just took this clip off, like that. Or was it like that? There's one bit. And it just clicks over the top of that. Just move that out the way. Clips up top. Don't forget. There's another one down here for the bottom one. I've just put a pick underneath it just to lift it up a little bit. Little pliers. Let me see. No, wait about that. There we go. Just pull that up a bit. Too hard. Need 2 hands. Get this paper to be around there, that's better. And see if I can grab a hold of this. And squeeze. And just work it back up itself. That come off. That's that paper. That one off there. And now the lighting isn't very good. I've got the sunshine here. Let's see if I can get some in there. Off. Now I'll put that electric back on just in case there was any water come out there, but nice, it hasn't, so I can take that one back off. And I can see about loosening that one first. Definitely 2-hand job this, I can confirm this. Well, that's the first nut coming off now. Loosened it. That bit there is supposed to be underneath there. So this is when I looked, because I remember it this time. I didn't put it on last time when I checked. I don't suppose that little washer thing will make the bottom leak, but you never know, do you? So, oh, that one's coming out. Yes. Oh, I didn't drop this one like I have the other ones. And I've got that one. And when I went to get the part from Bell's trucks and vans, I got myself a spare bullet as well. Just checking that it's, yeah, same size. But I really should find it, because if it goes underneath the belt or something, you know, not good. But just to see if it doesn't leak. So I've got this board down here to get out of. So that's next. So now it's going to be take that plug out there, and take that pin out and I think that's the 90-degree sensor, temperature sensor, I think. So I'll be taking that out. That's a Torque E10 board, and it comes off like this. That is going, that like underneath. It just stops it spinning, it looks like, but that's attachment to keep your electrics. I think it's to keep your electrics away from the fan belt, whatever belt it is, auxiliary belt. So that comes off from there, and hasn't got a bolt in the bottom because I lost it. So now this should pull out. So it comes out of here first, this pipe. I'm going to just work it off. I'll put that up there so I don't lose it. I need my little screwdriver, and I haven't got it with us, but what I'm going to do is just put my screwdriver in there like that. Wait, there. And just push it up a little bit, because it's not really sharp, this screwdriver, it's quite blunt. And I'm just going to work it off and pull that out. Definitely 2 hands for this. And so I'm just getting a hold of it. I've pushed it up a little bit. I've loosened it off. I'm just getting a hold of it. Loosening the bottom one's loosened off a little bit. Just work them both out, because you've got to attach the, pull this one out before you pull the bottom one all the way out. But then you can get as much as them both together if you try and push up to that corner, away from both of the pipes. See which one. See which one releases first. Oh, there we go. I don't know which one come first. It was a close second. It must have been a photo finish, that. But can't see in this bloody light. Right, I'll put down the light. The one that's gone in here. Let's have a look here. Split. It's a metal ring. Instead of having a pipe to join that, and a pipe on the outside to just sit that in, which it looks like. No, it doesn't. There's a piece that goes inside it, and there's the part number. 22025 26. That's not the part number I've got here, like. That part number's different. Oh, bloody hell, is that? Oh, I wonder if he's just picked the wrong one up, but it looks the same. So I'll turn it that way, the same as the. So it's here. 00099777070. Right, that's not that part number. But now I've got the hassle of taking that out of there. It's just a push fit. It's a push fit inside. It just goes up to the there, and it's the little knob bit on the end. That's the brand new one. just that knob bit on the end. When it gets squashed together, it looks like that's the is it. But that one didn't because it's ripped yet. Bloody hell. You know, you can't bloody stop that from happening. You know what I mean? Oh, can you? If anyone can stop that happening, please put it in the comments. But for now, I'm going to put that into there. Well, silly me. Yeah, you've got to look at two sides of the stove and not just one. Because I looked at this new one, I thought that was the number I was looking at. But it's not that number, but it may be that number on the other side. So there's nothing that's here in it, like, is there? So I'll stick that in there. And goes like that. And then that bit fits into the engine. Ah, German engineering, isn't it? All the Germans have got little ones, so they've got to put a little piece in to hit the edges of the big piece. But I just need 2 hands to get mine in. Never mind. Bye. I haven't seen any videos on get your finger with the way, man. There. This here. This is where it was leaking from, and that. Looks like it goes that way around. Oh, that's kind of stiff, that, eh? It's a nice little tight fit. I bloody should be. But I'll tip it this way a little bit. Because I'm going to put the angle in for this thermostat and go and move the angle this way. So I'll tip it that way just a little bit before it gets seeped down properly. There's it. Yeah. There's a little bit of stuff there, a little bit of stuff there. When that's gone, this is the time to start looking for them bits that I'm missing. Like a board. Don't know how I can't find the board. But when doing that, that's over there, that's where it went. And it should have dropped straight with the bottom. But it didn't. I'm going to have to pay for it. Like, good. I just want to get a little tiny bit looking as far as on the floor. But if I didn't, it's going to be devastating. I bet it is. If it's devastating mistakes, it's going to happen to me. So now to fit that down there, in there. Can I put the hose pipe on, the golden hose, up there and up there, just to flush them out. And it's nice and clean, not like little residue, but it's like nice and clean water that's coming out. So, in fact, no, let's do it. I'm going to put the water through and see what happens. Now I've got the hose and just whack it in there, put it in the bottom, put it into there, come through that and put the middle, put that on top and then. Oh, before I do that, look nice there. But I'd like to select the nice one. just begin what I'm doing there. And it's quite clean that out. It is the third time I've washed it out, right? So it's nice and clean now. Well, I didn't get much out of there. Very clean straight away from there. Put pipe in. That side. Nice clean water coming out of the radiator now. Cleaned out from there. Nice and clean coming out and dripping. Most of it into the bucket. And then you get the odd drip. You can't have that, can you? Right. Time to put that in there. 2 hands. Well, it's in. It's in. But it's not in properly. That needs to go around, but I think it's that clip that needs to come over the top now in between them 2 bars. So it'll open that pipe up because it's closing that pipe up. But underneath, it's up in our ways. Can you close that? You've got to focus in down there. Let us focus in. That side's perfect, but by the time that comes in, that's 5, 10 mil. It's more like 25 mil, that ain't 20. Where is it? About 20 mil, 23 mil there. Not quite 25. That'll settle that down to the seat. Let's see if this works. But like I say, 2-hand job this, like I need both hands to push and pull. There's not many people now you need 2 hands, but it's always best when you've got 2. Well, I'm no mechanic on that, but I've got these needle nose pliers that's got a bit of a bend on them, so I'm putting that in the hole at the bottom. And then for some, I can't get my head doing that. So I'm trying to find this dizzy. This phone, I don't know where I'm at. Right, down, there, we're gone, there. I just got used in the hole there, I'll get used there. Because at the minute I'm having trouble, never mind. Oh, look at that, my door's closed and I can't see the screen. Oh, bloody hell, what's going on, yeah? Hey, get your bloody nose in there. No. I'm trying, I'm effing trying. See, it's not going up there, we're gone. Is it in? I'll just squeeze a little bit. Well, God, look, it's starting to open. I need to squeeze and close that gap so I can get it over the top of the big pass. Oh, look at that. It's like fucking coming too early. Ah, what a disappointment. Anyway, I'm having both hands on this. I need to get that clip on. Well, I will go backman because there was a gentleman he was driving past, turning round there. I says, are you a mechanic? He says, I can help if you need. And look at this,
Problem.
Bodrick. How do you say your name?
Patrick.
Badrick. Badrick? I would say Patrick. With a
Patrick.
P.
Yeah, P. Patrick.
Oh, Patrick.
Yeah.
Yeah, with a P. Yeah,
You
see?
need take out or in?
I'm putting in.
In.
I've just put that
Yeah,
in.
you need this one in.
And I need that over.
I don't know.
And then plastic
Top.
rubber down to there.
And this one going top.
Yeah, that going on top. Look at this man. He hasn't got a clue who he's helping, but he's just stopped and helped us. Oh, look at this, he's getting this. Run! Screwdriver, yeah, and just to get to the back. Run! Look at this. Total bloody stranger.
No problem.
Look, I'm zooming in. Look.
To be push. Huh?
Look at that, he's even taking the rubber. The rubber.
One more.
The in between the two lines, yeah. Blue lines. Go on, yes, I've got video. I'll make you famous TikTok. YouTube. Well, hopefully. Look at that, he's got a nice watch on as well, ladies and gentlemen, he's got a nice watch. He's got a nice car and he's just a stranger. And he's just come and help me.
Ready.
If you don't ask, you don't get. You know, sometimes you don't, you think, oh no, I need it a bit tighter. I can do that though, I can do that. I can move it up to the, because I want the blue light touch the back.
No problem.
Yeah?
Okay.
Because that's a gap. Not 100% job, I don't like not 100% job. Oh look, is what he's doing, see, he's closing it up and then bringing it closer, look. Oh, he's a good man, yes. Fabulous! That is like a gasket in between there. So I'm putting a nut in here. I've got a bolt.
This one here, pipe here.
Yeah,
Easy.
one there, with that. I'm putting that in next. That's will in the top. I've got one for the bottom and one for the side, but yeah. This is, I go this way because I just see black face, shadow. So I zoom out again. Thank you very much, sir.
No problem.
You are a gentleman.
Yeah, no problem.
He's just stopped in his car, says, are you a mechanic? He says, yeah, I do a little bit. I made his hands dirty. Yeah, do you want to wash your hands?
Oh, that's fine.
Well, I'm going to have to put it down. So, yeah, I've got our little lad from next door coming to help us. I couldn't get that bastard back bolt in, but he's done it straight away and tightened it up. And he tightened the other two up, and you got our hands. I'll just have a hold of that. And it's very, very gentle. It's not tight. Like I know because I over-tighten stuff, me. And look at this, he's fucking getting in. Look, he's loving this. He's just putting out a pipe. He's just putting the pipes together for us and everything like that. He got 10 minutes before his turn. He just couldn't. He just couldn't help himself and just getting mucked in. You know what? The special lad next door just helped you. I'll just see if I can get this. It's the best ones I've found. For them ones, yeah, I found them ones better. Like, so now them the 90 degree fucking ones. I found them better too. Because then you can get an angle on it. Say, I didn't talk to all you to do it. No, it's all hard. And then when I found the good ones, they weren't as good as them. So he's whacking that on for us. Look at that.
Yeah.
I'm just
Clip
zooming,
you
yeah.
on now.
Nah, it's not as tight as me, like. I'd push that right one on a little bit more like me, Charlie. See the gap?
Right, now you're on a bit
Huh?
more.
Nah, yeah, it'd be alright, but just a little bit more. I'll let you go deep, me.
Oh, I think.
Let's see. Yeah, look out, I'm like this, you know what I mean? And he's a fucking mechanic. Paid mechanic. Oh, that's lovely, that, right? That's spotty dog, that, right?
You
Right.
just want that pipe clipped on, didn't you? And that's it.
I'll be taking that off, separating that electric system from above, because that one has to go underneath this plastic and that one has to go underneath the plastic and then join together, but I put it up there to get it away. Oh yeah, look at that. He's put the bugger around, I didn't even see. Oh Charlie, you're going to have to take it off and do that again for me, watch us. What now we'll have to do is, now the overflow pipe, the overflow drain thing is still draining, look. You can see the drips from the overflow. I need to get the overflow closed.
Well, that's me done. Time for me tea.
Oh, you know what it is? I'm going to put my hand down here. I'm going to get down here and I'm going to feel the knob. Oh, there it is. It's just doing it. You have to just push it in a little bit and turn it in a clockwise position and just make sure it clicks so it's straight up in the air. I think. That's the one that needs to hang underneath. I'm going to put I just put it up there so and connected it so it didn't get wet.
Sheena's bolt. Oh, has he gone through that hole? It does.
What's that?
Goes through that bolt hole, doesn't it?
Oh, that top boot, that little wash or something in there. Look at this. Even I made that mistake the first time, but look at that. Professional joining guys. Oh yeah.
Could have put all the brackets on there for a reason.
It's so you don't go too deep with that screw and crack the aluminium. Is it not? Something like that.
It's more, I think it's probably more to stop the wire and rubbing on anything when the engine's running, the vibrations and what have you.
But I'm getting used to it. I done most of it.
You did?
But when I've got someone who plays with them all the time, I might as well let you have like 5 minutes enjoyment. And just showing off your skills to the, yeah.
People.
I have 415 now. It's not very many, but if I can get up to 1,000 so I can do some lives, and that's when I'll start growing. When I can start doing some lives, and that's where I'm going fishing next week. I'm going to see a couple of people and get this YouTube channel kicked off. Gosh. It is. Did you like me nice little trick that I done? Because I've never seen it on YouTube, Charlie.
What's that?
The oil filter.
Alright, you just put it on there.
Take it off the top and put it on there. Because that has to attach to that.
That normally clicks on the airbox, doesn't it? It's just for easy filling.
Aye. But just so I don't drop the screw or anything in that.
It's the last thing you want, that. Have you got another bolt for here?
It's up. Yeah. A nice little, it's only about 10 mil or something. Aye, that's the one. And it's, I think that's to tighten it. The fucking note, you want it to start off. gone. Nice, just a
Just a little nip, doesn't need no more. Done.
that one's back on there.
That's
And
on, that's on, that's all tight. Because that would have been flopping about if you didn't put the bracket on.
right,
Click in
it
here.
looks. That's
This is
up
back
on
on.
the airbox. The three.
There's a sword.
Right.
I know what I'm doing here.
What's that?
This pipe, I've put this one on before. It needs to go underneath here.
It needs to go above, doesn't it?
Above here, right?
Them two pipes need to go above.
So that's me getting ahead of myself.
Oh yeah, I'm running out the start a new channel. That was 7 minutes long, that one. Well, broke it up, didn't he? But he noticed, see, being a mechanic, you know that you've noticed something wrong.
You've done it wrong.
And can we just explain to the channel, how did you notice? It's
The
because,
pipe was nearly rubbing on the belt there. That's what I'd seen. And I meant to click into here. So
not there's a little,
it's meant to click into here.
it just pops out. The other side, try it, that's it. And then push it down over. That's the one, and then push it towards you, pulls towards you.
Fiddly little things they are.
Ah, good, isn't it? Right, that's it. Top it up. Just above. Just waiting for just make sure the heater's turned on. Oh, it's not on full, is it? No, just make sure that the heater is turned on full. Now we'll find out. No heat yet. No. And you're not. Doesn't look like it. Just check. Whatever. No, it came up a bit. It's a bit higher than what it was. Pretty cool, that. We're going to have to wait until it warms up. I might as well make a nice one. If it's dripping or not. So what I'll do, I'll just go in here and get this bit of cardboard. Alright. That's the one I checked if I had leaks before. Yeah. And turn it over. There it is. Let's see if there's any leaks. Can't see no leaks. Bring it up the temperature. Brings up the temperature and see if there's any leaks on the cardboard. And if there's not, well, nice job done, Mickey lad. 15 minutes. and there's no drip. That was already wet before. There's no drips there. That's fixed. Thermostat replacement. Right. Job done. Well, let's see if any of that helps.